I am super excited to do my very first unboxing. This will be from a company called UniWigs. So they sent me the gorgeous Claire. Isn't it beautiful? This is in color 211. And I want to show you too, here's the lace front. In the front, it has not been trimmed, but you can see that this has a mono base so that you can part it any direction that you would like to go, which is the best. It's already so beautiful as it is, so let's get started. Start from the back and tilt my head back, and then I'm gonna find the match to my hairline. And push both sides in, you're gonna hear a pop. That means it's closed. So scoop and clip. All right, feels really good. And so this 6x6, as well as the 130% density that this one has, is great for my smaller shape head. And so as I turn, you can see I don't have any bubbling. It lays flat on the back of my head, it feels super comfortable. And you can see the beautiful Remy hair as well. It's nice and smooth, no tangles, nice and shiny. Next, I'm going to go ahead and trim the lace, and I'll show you how I do that as well. And now I'm just gonna put her back on. Now I'm wanting to see if I want to customize the hairline. Start pulling some of my hair out around, and that would work really well too. So there's lots of possibilities to make your lace front look a little bit more natural.